In this ClickyPay review, I'm going to be showing you a software that claims that you're going to be making $2.50 every 30 seconds over and over again for clicking on advertisements. I'm going to show you what this is and, of course, what it isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ClickyPay, you can go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing here, if you decide you're going to pick up ClickyPay, I've got a bunch of bonuses for you that you're going to get for purchasing through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the world's first system that pays us to click our mouse. Every 30 seconds, I'm getting paid $2.50 over and over by simply clicking on websites. The more we click, the more profit we make. No skills or experience needed, no waiting to get paid, no expenses, no BS. Now, oof. Wouldn't that be nice if you could just click links and make $2.50 over and over again? That would just be incredible. But what is this really? What's behind the hype here on this? Essentially, what this software is it allows you to take videos, whether they're your own or other people's, and put overlays on top of them. And when I say overlays, you can put like links and images on top of them so you can promote offers as an affiliate. And then you share these videos out online and potentially people can share your video and click on it and you can make money from it. So as a software, the tactic of taking videos and putting overlays on top of them and using the virality of that is a good idea, but you're not going to make $2.50 over and over again every 30 seconds. That's completely a marketing headline here on this, and it's just not going to happen. I wish it did. If it did, I would be like clicking my mouse like crazy every 30 seconds to make $2.50, and I'd have like my kids doing it. I'd be like child labor on this, and my wife doing it. It wouldn't work that way. So that's not going to happen. Just know if you're going to purchase this software, you should purchase it based upon what it does and not based upon these crazy claims here, because it's just not going to happen, right? Please, like, just think about that for a second. So do you really think that's going to work? No, it's not. So we look here. They've got some crazy stuff here. These cash outs here. I don't know what this is from. Clicking on a website. I'd be very interested to see what these cash outs are. But profits here. This is from their PayPal accounts here. I really don't think it has anything to do with this. These testimonials are not real. I'm going to show you this in a second. Let me just keep on moving on here. I don't believe these testimonials here. I could be wrong, but I don't think I am. Access, click any button on this page to get a copy, activate, and you get inside the dashboard, and then, yeah, that's not going to happen. These are nice sales pages, though. They look really nice, and these things sell like crazy. Like, everyone wants this kind of a system, but they don't work. Sorry, they just don't. I wish they did. I really do. Okay, so if you decide to purchase, you get the system, you get the software. I'm going to show you a demo of it in a second of what it actually is. You get the pay-to-click technology, the step-by-step training, the bonuses, all for a really low one-time price. And if you click here, you can add on for $7.50 more. You can add on a faster payment thing here. So I don't know what that is, but you can add that on. Now, if you are considering getting this, and like I said, if you're going to get it for the software, not for this crazy $2.50 thing. You want to move your mouse away and you can get a $2 discount on it. So just make sure you do that. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you an actual demo of the software so you can see what's actually inside of it. And then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs and the discounts.
Alright friends, welcome to this demo video. In this quick demo video, I am going to show you a quick demo of our brand new software that is called ClickyPay. Okay, so this is a 4-step software. I mean, you can use it in simple 4-step, easy 4-step. With this easy 4 steps, you can create clickable videos. Alright, so let me show you one by one. So the first step is select video. So from here, you can either search video with any keyword or you can simply upload video. So if you want to search any video like let's say money, So I am simply typing this keyword and hit the search button, and once I hit the search button, here these are the videos related to money keyword. And let me tell you one more thing, that these videos are absolutely copyright free. I mean, these are the Creative Commons videos which you can use or edit as per your choice, or else you can also upload your very own video. In order to do that, you have to click on this upload button and done. And here you can see your video is uploaded successfully. So to select a video, here let's say this one. Alright, so to select a video, select this video, you have to click on this select video button, and now here you can see this video is selected, and now you have to click on this next step button, and it will redirect you to the next step, which is set up an overlay. Okay, so click on this next step button. Alright, so here you can see we are now in second step. From here we can set up an overlay on our video. Alright, so here you can see we can change the default carousel background color. That means this one, we can change the default color. So let's say here you can see I can change the color. And not only that, you can also change the carousel border color. I mean, you can fully customize your player. Alright, and here you can set this CTA button and title text. You can change this default title text. By default, here are 3 CTA buttons and 3 title. I mean, you can input 3 different link. And not only 3, you can also add more if you want. For now, let me change just 1. Okay, you can see you can also change the CTA button text. Alright, and also you can change the cover image. Alright, so here you can see you can change the cover image as well. So once you have done everything, once you have set up everything, once you set up your clickable CTA button, you can set the link here. Here you can put the CTA link. Let me grab you a link from Warrior Plus Marketplace, maybe this one. Alright, so this is a brand new offer from Warrior Plus Marketplace, and let's say I want to promote this offer. So I am grabbing this link, going back to my ClickyPay account, and here I am pasting my link. Alright, and so once you have done everything here, once you have set up everything, now you have to go to the third step. That means get the embed code. Alright, so for that you have to click on this next step button. Alright, so here this is my embed code. You can simply select the whole code, and here you can copy the code by clicking the copy button, and you can see the code is copied. Alright, now here we have to go to the last and final step, that is selecting a template. Simply click on next step button, and here you can see here is lots of template, all are ready-made templates. Simply choose your template, let's say this one. Alright, now here is the video placeholder. All you have to do is click on this placeholder, and here you can see the tiny code button. You have to click on this, and here you have to paste your code. You have to paste the code which you copy on previous step. Alright, so once you paste the code, just click the save button, and you can see here our video is placed successfully with all the clickable elements. And now you have to click on this download button in order to download the whole project and choose your location. Alright, so our project is downloaded successfully, and here this is the link of our downloaded project, and from here you can copy the link or you can download it once again. And also here you will find a traffic button. If you click on it, you can see you can promote your video, you can promote the project to all of this social account like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, etc. To all of this social channel, you can share your project to all of your social account with just one click. All you have to do is click on this green traffic button and it will redirect you to this social blast page. Okay, so this is very easy. In this way you can very easily promote your offer, you can very easily promote your video, whatever you want, and you can very easily create clickable videos and can make profits from them. All right, so I hope you like this video and see you on the next video. See you soon. Thank you.
Okay, so this is the backend area. Like I just showed you, you can see here, they have like the training videos showing you how to set all this up. So you can put in your keyword and add in an overlay and get the embed code and select your templates and then share it out on different social networks. Like that's how this works. Again, like the software, it's like this, I've seen software like this before. So it's an idea that works, but you're not going to click, like, you're not going to like, there's nowhere here where I'm going to click and make $2.50 every 30 seconds. Not working. Okay, so here's the first upgrade. It says, what if you could click once and 50 times your profit? So this is unlimited. So this allows you to do unlimited video overlays here. If you move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount and bring that price down to 37. Next one here, they'll set it up for you. So this is, they do it for you. You can bring the price down from $297 to $197, have them set everything up for you. Next one is automation. You move your mouse away, you bring the price down to 67 here. Next one here is they have an income multiplier. So they show you how to make more money from this, I guess. You can bring the price down to 37 by moving your mouse away. This is traffic here. So I believe they allow you to put your retargeting pixel on their sales page. You can bring this price down to 67. Next one, here's resell rights, I believe. Yep, resell rights on this. You can move your mouse away and bring the price down to 97. And the last one here is some kind of a loophole, they say, some kind of extra training, I think. And you should, move your mouse away. And there should be a discount on that one too. Here we go. Yeah, I think it's a $30 discount. But all the different upgrades, completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about ClickyPay and what don't I like about it? I think it's obvious. I don't like the marketing behind it. I don't think it's real. I don't think that you're gonna make $2.50 over and over again every 30 seconds. So if you're gonna purchase this, do not purchase it thinking that you're gonna make this kind of money, because it's just not going to happen. If it does, tell me about it, because I want to do it too. What do I like about this? If I had to say something that I like about this, if you're looking for a software that you can take videos from places like YouTube and put overlays on top of them and then share those out without having to make your own videos, then this could be the right kind of software for you. So that viral video technology there, if you're looking for something that does that, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ClickyPay, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.